Hi, Ken Cutler, your Nevada County Health Officer, with you on Wednesday, May 27th. The state has approved those counties that have a variance for the reopening, which we do, that hair salons and barbershops can open if, like other businesses, they go through a plan. So they do a risk assessment of their facility. If they have employees, they train employees. They have plans on trying to safeguard not only themselves, their employees, but their customers as well. And with hair salons and barbershops, face coverings are mandated for both parties. So if you go visit one, please wear your face covering, and it's expected that your barber or hairstylist will wear one as well. Also a reminder that this is not for facials or work near the eyes, on eyebrows, but really for hair and hair styling. For other businesses beyond the newly opened hair salons and barbershops, we do have guidance available for businesses in town, offices that have opened, retail establishments, in-restaurant dining options, and the guidance exists at mynevadacounty.com/coronavirus. There are some workplace toolkit posters there, so codes of conduct for your customers. You can help educate people about the value of covering their face as well, to try to decrease transmission from one person to another. So please check it out, look at those posters, use them as they're helpful. Also, if you have questions about businesses and the reopening, you can send your questions, your business questions, to COVID-19 recovery at co.nevada.ca.us. One other new thing in the state with the reopening is that houses of worship, religious gatherings can start, again with modifications. We always say that 2020 is not going to look like 2019. And so with religious worship, we are asking that modifications take place so that buildings are only allowing 25% of their occupancy, up to 100 people maximum, so that people can have that physical distancing and that separation and just stay with their family during time of worship. The virus transmits easily when people are close together and in crowded conditions, and so we want to avoid that. So places of worship may also offer a remote access still, particularly for those who are most vulnerable to the poor outcomes with COVID-19. So if you're elderly, if you have underlying medical conditions, please check with your religious leader and see if they're offering remote access as well. We have OptumServe testing sites for COVID-19 available to you. The one in Grass Valley is open from Tuesday through Saturday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. The one in Kings Beach for our Eastern County residents is open Monday through Friday, same hours, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. You do need an appointment. You can find the link to the appointment on mynevadacounty.com/coronavirus. And a reminder, we want anybody, even with mild symptoms these days, to get tested for COVID-19. So mild fever, cough, congestion, sore throat. Please talk to your healthcare provider, stay isolated from others, and get tested. Also, people without symptoms are eligible for testing at those sites as well. And they take insurance. They also accept people who are underinsured or have no insurance at all. Just a reminder that even though the local public health officer stay-at-home order rescinded a little while ago, we are under the statewide safer at home or stay-at-home order. We are seeing expansions and reopenings, and wanted to remind people that the closer interactions we have with people, the more interactions, the more intense and long-standing those interactions, the more at risk we are for having outbreaks and transmission of disease, where some people, particularly those who are older or have underlying medical conditions, may have worse outcomes. So please inform yourself, protect yourself, stay in as much as possible still, maintain your distance if you need to go out, cover your face if you needed to go out to protect others. When they cover their face, they're protecting you as well. Thank you. We've been receiving a few questions about short-term rentals, so hotels, campsites, short-term rentals out of people's homes. As a reminder, those used to be just for essential business travel, but now those sectors that are open to conduct business may also have travel requirements, and short-term landlords can and hotels can rent to those folks as well. But ecotourism, leisure tourism, recreational tourism is still not allowed under the statewide order. We want people to stay local and be compliant with that. So just to make everyone safer. Thank you.